Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you something really very interesting. See, let me show you something. This is something which has been lying in inside a cupboard, and I found it. And please, people like youngsters may not know what this thing is, but let me show you. Old people, they may be very familiar with this thing, but this is something not that common. So this before telling you, I'll show you this product was manufactured by, you can see that it was produced by Godrej, a very big brand in India. And let me show you. First of all, let me show you what actually this thing is. It looks like a small briefcase, or even smaller than that, and it is written Prima Traveller, Godrej Prima Traveller. And first, let me see how. I'll try to open it. There are two red switches, or locks, or latches, or things like that. Uh, so it looks like it's looking good, pretty good fit and finish, and it looks new. Actually, it looks new, but this is not a new thing. It's a very old one. Probably it was not used ever, I suppose. That means since it was brought. Oh, see, it's a typewriter. It's a traveler typewriter, something like our modern laptop, not the big one. You might have seen the big typewriter which is used in offices, but this one is really small. This is a travel typewriter. See, it looks very, a little bit of dust is there, but it looks very new. Actually, I think this thing has never been used. It was bought and kept it inside the cupboard, and it was never brought. And I think this typewriter and all went out of use decades back, like in the 90s, or something like several years back. Anyhow, 20-25 years back. These now, for the last 30 years and all, we have been more familiar with computers, laptops, printers, and all. And I don't think anybody uses typewriters now. Only for the craze of such things, or for as collections and all, people keep these things. But nobody uses this nowadays. See, old paper is there, and 1990. Okay, but this has never been used. It has not even been opened. It seems. It looks. Oh, it's working pretty good. See, the switches and all the buttons are working. It has got a very beautiful, and it's very smooth also. It's very smooth. The switches are all, the buttons are pretty fresh. So you can see. So it's working well. So it has never been opened, it seems. It's so interesting. You get that retro feel when you place your fingers on this. See. So it types so well. A beautiful font also. That's a typewriter font. Oh, you can type capital letters, you can type small letters, uppercase, lowercase, everything is there. Oh, now it's uppercase. So there are switches. You just need to go through this, and you have to understand and find out what are the things. Actually, several years back, probably in the 90s, I have used this. I have tried to learn typewriting, but I'm not that familiar with these things, because I didn't continue learning typewriting, because soon in the 90s, in the second half of the 90s, typewriters and all went out of use, and computers started coming in. See, but this is pretty cool. It's so nice. You can, yeah, you can lift the paper, you can adjust the paper, and you can adjust the uppercase, lowercase, shift is there. A lot of adjustments are there, a lot of switches are there. Okay, that is a lock switch. It seems lock switch. You can lock the shift. Then if you lock it, you will get full caps. All capital letters will come. A long space bar, then one red color switch is there. I don't know what it is used for. Numbers are there. See, beautiful. Many of you have seen typewriters, but this thing is not that common, I suppose. See the blocks, the type head and all are looks very fresh. That's what I said. It has never been used, I suppose. Little bit of ink is there, and that also you can wipe it out. It looks so fresh. It looks as if it has brought from the showroom now, brought from the shop now. Yeah, it's see J. All caps are coming because it's the cap lock is used. This is a travel typewriter. This has been made by Godrej. It's a travel typewriter, and it's pretty small. You can keep inside a bag and go. It's not that heavy also, probably 2 kg, something like. After all, it's made of all the parts are all steel. Such a beautiful machine. I think you can type in two colors also, red and blue. Two dots are given over there. Red and blue is there. Sorry, black is there. Red and black, and you can carry it like a laptop. You can take it wherever you want. It looks so beautiful. It gives you a retro feel and look. Really beautiful. Such a wonderful find. Yes. That's it. Please subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. I'll bring you such things again. You know my channel. You know what. You know what. That's the name of my channel. You can subscribe. You can share. Please do that. And I'll be bringing such things. Thank you. Thank you for watching.